Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If not, welcome back. Right now we're going to talk about how to do one of those outdoor parties where you're going to want to have bug spray, you're going to want to have suntan lotion and things like that for your guests. Here you have it. You guys stay tuned. All right, so first things first, you can do it in a number of ways. What I do, I have like an ice bucket. I have an ice bucket that I can use. I could go ahead and put it here. And then you have the ones that even hang as well. You get the ones that hang as well, and then you're going to, but you want to know, you want to let the guests know where are those items located. Some people have it, or they can actually have it purchased already, probably from like Walmart or maybe like Amazon. But if you want to make your own sign, and the bucket that you purchased doesn't have that chalkboard where you can write it on, I got it super idea, super cheap idea for you guys. Go to Dollar Tree, buy yourself a stencil sheet, get yourself a permanent marker. You could even do a color pencil, a nice colored pen, however you like, but I prefer a permanent marker because at least you can see it a little bit better once you place the sign up up on your basket here. So all I did, I just went ahead and I to GET, just go ahead and just type it all in, just go here and you just go ahead and shade right in the line, and then you put them down word for word, section per section. Make sure that it is even and then it's nice and neat, and like I said, and big enough for guests to see. Where is the hand sanitizer? Where is the bug spray? We got mosquito repellent, sunscreen, things of that nature. So here you guys have it. Stay tuned. So let's see what the final product looks like. All right, guys, so far this is what we're looking like. I have my tape here ready to go ahead and place onto my sign, my little sign, my bucket, my canister, whatever you want to call it. Super simple. Like I said, you get your stencil sheet and you just go ahead and cut it out. I just have my little city scissors that I use to cut these out here, to make my little signs. Turn it off for you guys to make my little signs. I just use scratch paper. That's why it looks a little old. But then again, like I said, this is just a sign. This is not something I'd be using for a photo prop, so it doesn't have to be all of that. I'm just doing something simple. That way, the cans are not all over the party. The cans are not all over the venue space, what have you. It's all in one nice, neat space. The guests know where to get them and what have you. So as I go ahead and I label, I have my little strip of tape, and I just go ahead and I place it down. And like I said, I'm just walking you guys through the process. And let's see how this looks. Okay, everyone, and here you guys have it. This is my sign. Super simple, super plain. Like I said, how did I get this? I just used a stencil marked over on the paper, make sure everything was like nice and neat. Then I went ahead and I got regular tape and went ahead and taped up the sides nice and thick. Right, because if it's thick, it won't lift. Because mind you, obviously this isn't something that's going to be outside. You don't want thin tip where it's going to begin to peel or fall off, and then now it just looks tacky. Like, what the heck is that paper hanging off of that sign for? You understand? So okay, so yeah, get smitten not bitten. Then it says sunscreen and mosquito repellent. So let's see what I have in mind. Like I said, this is just an example. I have the Copper Tone 4-in-1 Performance. I have the Neutrogena Wet Skin Swim Humidity and Sweat SPF 50. Oh, I'm sorry, this one here is also SPF 30. I also have the, excuse me, I have the Off Deep Woods Insect Repellent Dry. Repels Zika virus, dengue virus, West Nile virus. And I also have the Off Family Care Smooth and Dry Powder Dry Formula. And then the thing is, mine broke actually. So I'm gonna see if I can use a stick and put it on here and hang it. If anything, you could put it on a nice little table where you're gonna have like the napkins, your forks, and stuff like that. Oh no, but never mind, because you don't want them to take it and spray right on there, because whatever they're spraying now is spraying all over the napkins and all over the forks. So please be mindful where you're going to place your little bucket, your little basket, whatever, what have you. On that note, that's pretty much it. Super simple, straight and to the point. Hope you guys enjoy your event. Have fun, be safe out there. If you like, you can add an additional 2 if you do have a larger crowd of people. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. You guys enjoy your event. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace.